Hi, it's Paul Maunder from Production Expert. In this video I'll be covering the algorithms in Accentize dxRevive Pro. dxRevive Pro is an Emmy award-winning dialogue noise reduction plugin which comes as both a real-time plugin and as an audio suite plugin for offline rendering. I'll be using the real-time AAX version in Pro Tools, but dxRevive also includes installers for VST and audio units, so it will work in all DAWs. Going into the algorithm selector then, we have a choice of 7: Studio, Studio 2 and Studio 3, Retain, Natural and Natural 2, and finally EQ Restore. Starting with the studio algorithms. These seek to completely restore dialogue recordings to make them sound as though they were recorded in a studio environment in front of a large diaphragm condenser mic. Usefully, this page lists the suppression and restoration features for each algorithm, and we can see on the studio algorithms they all remove noise, reverb and artifacts, whilst also applying corrective EQ and applying both low and high frequency restoration. This is ideal in situations where you want your dialogue to be as pristine as possible. The difference between Studio, Studio 2 and Studio 3 is that they represent different versions of the algorithm. In essence, 2 was an improvement on the first one and 3 is the most refined of them all. On the majority of source content, 3 will give the best results, but the others are still included because there may be some cases where either of those may give slightly better results than 3. Anyway, let's take a listen to Studio 3 in action. This first example has a little bit of noise in the background.
We want to help unlock your full potential by giving you access to expertise.
Okay, so let's now introduce dxRevive Pro with a Studio 3 algorithm.
We want to help unlock your full potential by giving you access to expertise, facilities, research and technology that will empower your business.
Great, let's just do a quick A/B comparison. I'll switch it in partway through. So here it is in bypass initially.
We want to help unlock your full potential by giving you access to expertise, facilities, research and technology that will empower your business.
As you can hear, a fantastic result. And in example 2, we have a bit more reverb to deal with, plus noise.
As our partner, you'll have access to a community of brilliant academic minds. This includes Nobel Prize winners and world-leading researchers working alongside the next generation of talent.
Once again, a highly effective result. Moving on to the next algorithm. The Retain algorithm takes a less heavy-handed approach to dialogue restoration, leaving more of the natural reverb of the recording and maintaining the essence of the original audio. It does restore the high-frequency content slightly, but it doesn't seek to make the recording sound like a studio recording. This is a very good option for cleaning up location dialogue, where you need an effective way to remove noise, but retain the overall quality of the recording in other respects. Let's try it on the recording we just heard. You'll hear that it will reduce the noise, but the reverb remains intact.
As our partner, you'll have access to a community of brilliant academic minds. This includes Nobel Prize winners and world-leading researchers working alongside the next generation of talent.
Good, now going back into the algorithm selector, next we have Natural and Natural 2. These are very similar to the studio algorithms, but without the EQ feature. So they'll reduce noise, reverb and artifacts in a recording, and they'll restore the low and high frequency content, but the overall EQ which Studio uses isn't applied in Natural or Natural 2. This means that you can clean up audio while staying truer to the original recording. As you might expect, Natural 2 is an improved version of the Natural algorithm, so Natural 2 will give the best results in most cases.
I think it's a real mix, and we have certain countries like Norway where I think it was last year 22% of all new vehicles were electric. But then there are certainly other countries where that's a much smaller percentage.
Finally, there's EQ Restore. This doesn't aim to remove any noise or reverb. Instead, it fixes spectral issues by applying EQ and spectral resynthesis if necessary. This way, the natural ambience is preserved while only enhancing the speech. A crucial aspect of EQ Restore is that it applies EQ solely to the speech without altering the frequencies of the underlying noise or ambience. Let's see how it sounds.
But if there was somebody home, if there was any form of intelligence in government, they would take a look at what Alfie has done in relation to social housing.
That's good, and just so you can hear the difference even more apparently, I'll start it playing in bypass and then I'll switch it in partway through.
But if there was somebody home, if there was any form of intelligence in government, they would take a look at what Alfie has done in relation to social housing.
So that's an overview of the different algorithms in Accentize dxRevive Pro. This is an excellent dialogue restoration tool, and if you haven't tried it out already, you can find out more and download a demo at accentize.com. Thanks for watching.